Hello students, in the previous period we learned about the multiplication. How we have to multiply the numbers. 3 digit to 2 digit, 4 digit to 3 digit, 5 digit to 2 digit, 5 digit to 3 digit. Hope so that you solve practice problem set 14 because we solve 4 to 5 sums from that practice set. Okay. Now, if you have any problem, take the help of your parents, and when the school starts, that time also I can tell you how you have to do the multiplication or how you have to solve the word problem. Okay. Now, how we have to do the division? See. Whenever we have to do the multiplication and division, it is very important to learn the tables. Or if you don't know the tables, you have to write the multiplication of that particular table. Because you can take the table of 27, table of 32 by doing the calculations. Isn't it? Or multiplying the numbers, isn't it? Okay. Now, how we have to do the division of the numbers? That we have to do from problem set 50. Okay. Question number 1. Solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. Now, first I am solving one sum on the board. What is quotient? What is remainder? Which is divisor? Which is dividend? That which numbers are they that you have to say? I am taking very simple sum. Now take which number is quotient? The answer is where we are getting, that is called quotient, isn't it? And now the equals. Remainder is zero. Here, what is that? That is called remainder. Dividend. The number which we are dividing, that is called dividend. Okay, and by which number we are dividing, it is called divisor. Okay, understood? So we have to write quotient and remainder for the given sum. On page number 19, problem set 50. Solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. Take the first one. 1284 divided by 32. But you don't know the table of 32, isn't it? But you can write the table of 32 by multiplication, isn't it? So here, write from the table of 32. Always when at home also, when you are writing the tables, that time writing the multiplication form only. Okay, now start to do 31 into 31, 32 into 1, 32. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10. Now what I told, don't write the carry over, isn't it? So 10. So 0 for the answer, 1 for the carry. 5 3s are 50. 50 plus 1, 60. Okay. Then 6 2s are 12. 1 for carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 9. 7 2s are 14. 1 for carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 8 2s are 16. 1 for carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 9 2s are 18. 1 for carry. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. Okay. And we know 32 tens are 320. Isn't it? Now here table of 32 is done. So it is very easy to do the division. Always in the rough column you have to write the tables. From which number you have to divide, that table you have to write. Okay. Now start to solve the sum. Write neatly the numbers little bit on one finger space. So you can do the subtraction also very neatly. 32. Now, when we are dividing, what we are doing? Directly we are taking? No. We are going 1 by 1. Here. 1 is smaller than 32. So 32 zeros are 0. That we are doing. So minus 1. Then we are taking 12. Again 12 is less than 32. Isn't it? So again we are doing 32 zeros are 0. So 12 as it is. Then we are taking 8. Isn't it? Okay. Now go to the number. 32 fours are 128. So 32 fours are 128 minus 0 0 2. What is left? 4. Again 4 is less than 32. So we have to stop to do the calculation. So write the quotient and remainder. What is the quotient? 4 is the quotient. And what is the remainder? Remainder is also 4. So write here quotient. And remainder also 4. Understood? For any number to do the division, you have to write the table to solve the sum. First, write the table, then go to the calculation. Now take the sixth sum. 56,741 divided by 26. Now which table we have to do? Table of 26. Okay. So do the table of 26 first side. Start. 26 1s are 26. 26 2s are 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. 6 2s are 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6 7. 4 6s are 24. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 5 6s are 30. 3 carry. 0 for the answer. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 twos are 12. 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep in the mind. The carry keep in the mind. 6 sevens are 42. 2 for the answer, 4 for the carry. 7 twos are 12. Sorry, 7 twos are 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. 8 6 are do fast. 8 6 are 48. 4 for carry. 8 twos are 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 9 6 are 54. 5 for carry. 4 for answer. 9 twos are 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. Once again check the numbers. Check the table which you did correct or not. And then start to solve. 56,741 divided by 26. Now 5. We are taking first one number, then two number in that manner. So 5 is less than 26. So take the whole number 56. I am not taking here 0 now. I am doing directly. 56. Is 56 in the table of 26? No. Then 26 twos are 52 minus 6 minus 2 4 0. Take 7 down. Then 26 ones are 26. 7 minus 6 1 2. Take this. Now here I am taking arrows. So we will not skip any number, or you can also understand directly. 240. 214 is in the table? No. Then 208 is in the table. So take 26 eggs are 208. 14 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Isn't it 6? Then here 0 because I am considering all the calculation in the mind that I told you, because if you did all the calculation, addition, subtraction on the board or in the calculation, then it very looks very dirty and it's all hodgepodge also. Okay, so keep it in the mind. So 0 here because we are taking the carry over for the 4 now, because 4 is less than 8. So we are taking carry, borrowing the carry. Correct? So here it is 0. So 0. Then 2 minus 2, 0. What is left? 1 is left. 61. No, there is no number 61. Then 26 twos are 52. Now 1 is less than 2. So borrow the carry here, borrow the number. 11. 11 minus 2. What is there? 11 minus 2? 9. And here 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. So right, quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to and remainder is equal to. Quotient is 2182. Remainder is 9. Okay? Understood? Now take the word problem. How you have to do. Question number 2 here. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km at a speed of 48 km per hour? Okay. First, understand the sum. Now here we have to write the table of 48. Na? So understand the sum first. In 1 hour, how many kilometers we can travel, it take to travel in 1 hour 48 kilometers. Isn't it? But how many hours it will take to travel 336 kilometers? So what we have to do? We have to do the division. We have to divide 336 by 48. Okay. So 336 divided by 48. Do the table of 48. 48 ones are 48. 48 twos are 2 eights are 16. 2 8 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 48 into 3. 3 eights are 24. 2 4 carry. 3 fours are 12. 13 40. 48 into 4. 4 eights are 32. 3 4 carry. 4 fours are 16. 17 18 19. 48 by 5. 5 eights are 40. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 4 200. 24 means 240 answer. 48. 8 for answer, 4 for carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 4 28. 48 into 7 56. 5 for carry. 7 into 4 28. 28 plus 5 29. 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, stop because we have answer 336. So no need to do the further calculation. Okay, so 48 sevens are 336. 0, 0, 0. Okay, no need to do the calculation by this 1, 1, 1. You can take, but if you solve directly, then also it is okay. Because in the table of 48 there is 336. Otherwise we are solving like that. Here 336 48. Take the number 1 first. 0. Sorry, 3. 3 is less than 48. So take the quotient 0, then quotient 0 plus 0, then 3. Then take 33. Again 33 is less than 48. So again take the number 0. And here, and then again 333, and then we are taking 6, then it becomes 336. If you did in this way, then also it is okay. If directly you did in this way, then also it is okay. Now you have to do the calculation faster, so you have to do like that. First, observe that take the number first 3. 3 is less than 48. Then we have to take the two numbers 33. Then 33 is again less than 48. Then go to the 3 digits. So and see the table and then start to solve. Okay, in that way. Either you can take this step also, either you can take this steps also. That is by your own. So now tell me how many hours it takes to travel 336 kilometer 7 hours. So write the statement that 7 hours will it take to travel 336 kilometer. Okay. Now take the next sum. Girija needed 35 cartons to pack 1,400 books. There are an equal number of books in every carton. How many books did she pack into each curtain? Girija needed 35 curtains to pack 1,400 books, isn't it? There are an equal number of books in every curtain. How many books did she pack into each curtain? Yes? What do we have to do? Each. The each coordinate number that words to mention that we have to divide. Isn't it? Again, what we have to do? We have to write the table of 35. Okay, and then solve like that. How we solve in the this sum first, second sum. Okay, and then write the answer in the statement. Now, see the fifth sum. That second sum, third sum we are solving. Let's see the fifth sum. First sum you have to do by your own. I'm not saying anything for the first sum. First sum I understand how you have to do the which operation you have to do. Think that. Do the table, write the table, and then solve it. Fourth sum. Now, see the fifth sum. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9,688? Which number on being multiplied by 56? Which number we can take to multiply 56? Then we are getting the answer 9,688. That is the question. It means what we have to do? We have to divide, because to multiply a number with a whole number, then we are getting the answer. It means to find the product of the two numbers, we have to divide by the number. Then only we will get the two numbers to multiply, isn't it? When we multiply the quotient, see here also. Here also. When we multiply the quotient with the number, then we are getting the product. See here also. Tell me now. See, 48 into 7. When we multiply this 48 into 7, then we are getting the product. Which product? 336. Isn't it? Means to get a number, we have to divide only to the product. So what is the product there? 9,688. That is the product. That product we have to divide by 56. Then only we will get the number. Yes? Okay. Now see the question number 3. Girija. Now first, which table you have to do? Table of 35, isn't it? So start the table of 35 first. 35 into 1, 35. 35 into 2, 70. 35 into 3. What? 5 as it is. 7 plus 3, 10. Know what I did? Yes, I am doing the multiplication also. But here, when we add the addition of the further two numbers, then we are getting the addition of the third number. So 35 into 3, 105. Now 35 into 4. Okay. Multiplication is what? Add the same number that times. Isn't it? So when we have to do the multiplication of 35 into 4, then we have to add this 105 and 35. Okay, so we are getting 35 to 4. So 5, 5, 0, 1, 4, and this is 1. So 35 into 4, we are getting 140. Check it. 4 5s are 20. 0 to 4 10. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 40. Then 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17. 35 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. 35 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3. 7 3s are 21. 22, 23, 24. Okay. Now stop here. First see that which number we will take. 1000 400, okay, divided by 35. Now, as I told you, take the first number, 180. So 1 is smaller than 35, then take the 2 is 40. Again 14 is 0 less than 35. So take the 3 numbers, 140 is. Now 140 is where? 35 4s are 140. 0 0 0. This 0 take 0. Because the last number is 40 na, so that we can't take. So how many curtains we have to take to pack the books in equal 40, isn't it? So write the statement as it is. That statement you have to write. Thank you. In the next page we will see the mixed word problems.